Welcome to Learn English with OE, where learning English becomes fun, easy and full of valuable lessons. Have you ever looked at rich people and wondered, what are they doing differently? Why do some people become wealthy, while others struggle their whole lives? Is it just luck, or do they follow a secret formula for success? Well, today I am going to reveal 12 powerful rules that rich people follow. These are not just random habits. These are strategies that have helped the richest people in the world build their fortune. And here's the best part: you can apply these rules in your own life to change your financial future. So stay with me till the end, because every rule is important. Also, I want you to participate. Comment below which rule you like the most, and which one you will start following today. All right, let's begin. Rule number 1, pay yourself first. Most people get their salary and immediately start paying rent bills, food, entertainment, and shopping. But rich people do something different. They save first and spend later. They take a part of their income and put it into savings or investments before spending a single penny. Think about it: if you do not pay yourself first, you will always struggle to save money, because by the end of the month, there is usually nothing left. So here is a challenge for you. Next time you get money, save at least 10% before spending anything. Tell me in the comments, do you already save first or do you spend first? Rule number 2, invest in assets, not liabilities. Do you know the difference between rich people and poor people? Rich people buy assets, things that make them more money over time. Poor people buy liabilities, things that lose value and take money away from them. For example, buying an expensive car that loses value. Not an asset, buying a rental property that gives you monthly income. That is an asset if you want to be rich. Stop spending all your money on things that do not make you money. Here is a question for you. What is the best asset to invest in? Share your thoughts in the comments. Rule number 3, have multiple sources of income. The rich never depend on just one paycheck. They have businesses, investments, side hustles, and passive income sources. They do not put all their eggs in one basket. Imagine if you lost your job tomorrow. Do you have another source of income? If not, start building one today. Think about this. What is one side hustle you would love to start? Share it in the comments. Rule number 4, keep learning every day. One of the biggest secrets of the richest: constant learning. They read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and surround themselves with successful people who push them to grow. Because here's the truth: the more you learn, the more you learn. So tell me, what is the last book you read? Comment below, I want to know. Rule number 5, take smart risks. Most people are afraid of taking risks. They want security and stability. But here's the reality: playing safe will not make you rich. Rich people take calculated risks. They study, analyze, and then make smart decisions. They do not gamble, but they also do not let fear stop them from growing. Would you rather take a small risk for big success, or stay in your comfort zone forever? Type risk in the comments if you are ready to take risks. Rule number 6, think long term. Poor people only think about today. Rich people plan for the future. They invest their time, money, and effort into things that grow over years. For example, investing in stocks, real estate, or business. Ideas that may take years to grow, but will bring big returns. Ask yourself, are you making decisions that will benefit you 5 years from now? If yes, comment. Future-focused. Rule number 7, surround yourself with successful people. Your environment shapes your mindset. If you spend time with lazy, negative, and unmotivated people, you will become like them. Rich people surround themselves with winners. They spend time with successful and motivated individuals who inspire them to do better. Who is the most successful person you admire? Tag them in the comments. Rule number 8. Solve problems and add value. Rich people do not chase money. They chase solutions the bigger the problem you solve. The more money you make. For example, people who created Amazon, Tesla and Apple became billionaires because they solved big problems. Think about it. What is one problem you can solve that people will pay you for? Write it in the comments. Rule number 9. Stay disciplined and patient. Building wealth takes time. Rich people stay disciplined, consistent and patient. They do not look for quick money schemes. Instead, they work hard and let their money grow. How patient are you? Would you wait 5 years for wealth, or do you want it instantly? Let me know in the comments. Rule number 10. Control your emotions. Many people lose money because of fear or greed. Rich people stay calm and make smart decisions. They do not let emotions control them. Have you ever made a bad financial decision because of emotions? Share your experience in the comments. Rule number 11. Build a strong network. Your network is your net worth. Successful people understand that building strong relationships is the key to more opportunities. They connect with mentors, business partners, and investors who help them grow. Who is one person in your life that has helped you grow? Tag them in the comments. Rule number 12. Never depend on just one skill. Rich people keep upgrading their skills. The world is changing fast, and those who learn new skills stay ahead. What is one skill you want to learn this year? Type it in the comments now that you know these 12 rules of rich people. It is time to take action. Wealth is not about luck. It is about mindset. Habits and action. Which rule do you think is the most powerful? Comment below. I want to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Learn English with OE for more amazing lessons. Success is waiting for you. Start today, and your future self will thank you.